First steps to fixing your credit score. Number 1, get a copy of your credit report from all 3 credit bureaus. Number 2, you're going to want to check all 3 reports to make sure that your personal information is correct, from the spelling of your name, current address, and current job. If there are any errors in the spelling of your name or your address or your job, if you see anything other than the current information, this is not accurate. You want to send a letter to all 3 credit bureaus first to fix this before you proceed with the next step. Number 3, check your credit report carefully to see if you have any accounts that say open. If you do, you're going to want to dispute this because there should not be any open accounts in collections. Number 4, write a dispute letter telling them you need this removed from your credit report because this is not accurate. Make sure you write a letter to all 3 credit bureaus to have this removed. Hit that like button if this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.